DaVinci for beginners. So easy. Now we're gonna learn how to replace background using the magic mask. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do, select your clip and navigate to the color page. Then select the mask and make sure it's selected for the person. Switch from fast to better for a better result and make sure the eyedropper is selected. Simply drag the line over the person and click overlay, so we will see what is selected. Now just make sure the playhead is at the beginning of the clip and press track back and forward. I will not leave you to wait while this process is rendering, so let's speed it up. Next thing, we need to add alpha output. Now connect the blue rectangle with the blue dot and change the in and out ratio to minus around 40 and clean black 1.2. Now let's switch to the edit page and there we go. We have transparent background. So let's insert the new background. We need to put it under our main video. Just trim it and change the places. And there we go. This is almost done. Now we just need to make a small tweaks just to look realistic for the perspective. I will speed up this process so you don't need to wait me adjusting around. One more trick to make it even more realistic, the virtual background, is to add a lens blur. You can find it in Effect, Open Effects, just drag and drop and change the blur just a little bit so to look realistic. And we're done. This is the final result. This is just example to show you how to do it, but you can tweak just to make it perfect. So let's see it in full screen now.